Hey guys, and welcome back to another video on the RoBuilder YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be trying to show you how to make a gem and a coin, mainly for your simulator games, in less than 60 seconds. So we're going to hop right into it. Into Blender we go, boom, A, grab everything, Shift A, we're going to go with a cylinder, click this and go to 8 sides, and then we're going to back into edit mode, grab our face select right here, drag it down, nice. We're going to grab both faces, press I twice for inset, bring it something like right here, and then I'm going to just click this top one, press E, bring it down a little bit, bottom one, press E, bring it up a little bit. I don't know the shortcut to do both sides at once to make them super even, but there you go. And then take a mesh from your game and add it to the middle of your coin. Up next, Shift A, cylinder, there we go, boom, and it's still going to be the same amount of sides. So grab a loop cut right here, bring it a little bit towards the top, grab the face select mode, scale this down just a little bit, go ahead and grab all these guys right here, boom, Alt M at center, and now you have a diamond just like that. Coin and diamond in under 60 seconds, I do believe. That is going to wrap up this video though. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Have a great day. Later.